garbage from elevated trips, and today we're exploring Rabgya Monastery, about an 8-hour drive south of Xining near Amnye Machen in Qinghai Province. So behind me here are prayer wheels. Each of these wheels is filled with thousands of prayers, and pilgrims will come and spin these prayer wheels and release prayers asking for prayers to the Buddha. Usually the prayers are this one, which is listed right here on the wheel, which says Om Mani Padme. On our journey to the Yellow River, and you can see we've stopped here in Rabgya Monastery. This monastery is about 400 monks. It was built in 1769, and behind us are the monk debates for the Golok school. This is how monks work out their Buddhist philosophy, and they're actually practicing for their oral test at the end of their study in the monastery. So we're here inside Rabgya Monastery, and today the monks are meditating. You can see behind me, really far here in the distance, that gold statue. That's Songkapa. That's a statue that's about 25 meters tall, and it's one of the largest statues of Songkapa. The reason that's important is because this is the Yellow Hat sect, or Golok sect of Buddhism, and he was the founder of this sect. So he's kind of the founder of this school of Buddhist thought. Okay, we're in the back of the monastery here, climbing up. It's probably only 100 meters vertical elevation from the bottom to the top here, but we're roughly at 3,500 meters, so you're gonna feel it in your lungs, so take your time getting to the back. We're about 2 minutes from the Songkapa statue. We did it. We reached the Songkapa statue. And for me, this is what's really rewarding about the monastery, is that there's an incredible view overlooking the Yellow River right here, right on one of the bends of the Yellow River. Beautiful red rock canyons. This is just splendid. The other highlight, besides getting to the top of the statue and overlooking Yellow River, are these red rock cliffs directly behind the monastery. They're really quite stunning, and you have about 200 meters of vertical elevation represented in these red rock cliffs. It's a really great way to spend 2 or 3 hours just climbing to the back of this monastery and exploring the ancient ruins of the monastery as well.